Are you looking for a more cost-effective, easy-to-install piping system that you can trust? Spears is the answer. Spears Schedule 80 PVC and CPVC pipe system is world-renowned for being a product manufactured to the highest of international standards, offering significant cost savings, lightweight, easy installation, all without jeopardizing premium quality. Spears has been manufactured in the USA since 1969, with continual innovative product designs and improvements, new fitting technologies, and a fully integrated manufacturing system has made Spears simply the best since 1969. Spears is frequently used for hot and cold water, water treatment, chemical lines, and wastewater by a range of sectors including food and beverage, commercial construction, councils, and hospitals. The Spears range includes injection moulded fittings from 8mm up to 300mm, fabricated fittings through to 1200mm, and a full complement of manual and mechanically actuated thermoplastic valves. Refined and proven manufacturing processes ensure Spears Schedule 80 provides a long service life and also allows installers to achieve significant cost savings over other piping systems and makes installation easier and more user-friendly. As a non-metallic piping system, Spears offers excellent corrosion resistance in many applications. Some key global projects that Spears Schedule 80 has been used on include the world's tallest building in Dubai, the world's tallest twin buildings in Kuala Lumpur, and the new Shibani food plant in Idaho, USA. Not only is Spears cost-effective and easy to install, but it is the quality you can trust. Contact Waterworks today to discuss how you can benefit from Spears.